At the recent ATD 25 conference in Washington, D.C., we spoke with MHS partners Gora and Rosalinda Batson from Neural Networks. They shared how they use the EQI 2.0 Emotional Intelligence Assessment as a diagnostic tool to decipher what's really going on inside an organization's culture.
Organizations often have some idea that something's not right, but because they haven't seen it through an emotional intelligence lens, they can't put the finger on it. So they might say, we've got an issue with the organisation, we're terrible at calling out poor behaviours. So we do the profiling and we find out, well, there's a reason for that, because you're low on assertiveness, you're low on empathy, so you don't know how to approach those conversations, you're low on reality testing, so you're not even seeing that you need to have those conversations. So it gives us insights into what's going on, and you can't just give an organisation how to have a difficult conversation program if they don't have the emotional intelligence subscales to actually have the conversation. So we start with the emotional intelligence talents and how do we help them to feel comfortable to flex those, and then we give them the framework. But often it happens where they have a little bit of insight, and we generally do some sort of diagnostic or questioning to find out from focus groups. But the EQI is what tells us the real story, because what they say and what we see, always different.
To learn more about John, Rosalinda, and EQI 2.0 certification opportunities, visit neuralnetworks.com.au. For more information on MHS and our full suite of talent solutions, visit mhs.com/talent-solutions. Follow Multi Health Systems on LinkedIn for more MHS Talks Talent content.